Uncle Sam, I've spotted something else. But it's not in the house.
What is it, James?
There's a fire on the mountain.
That's where the pioneers are. I'd better call the station.
There's a fire on Pontypandy Mountain.
There's a fire on Pontypandy Mountain.
The forest trails are too small for Jupiter. We'll need to take Venus. The water cannon, Penny! We have to contain the fire!
I'm on it.
That's dampened it down, Penny, but we could do with some backup.
Hang on, Sam. I'm on my way.
That'll do nicely.
I'm sorry, Sam. We got a bit carried away making the giant bear and...
Just remember to keep your wicker animals a safe distance from your campfire and your campfire a safe distance from your tents. You two should have known better.
Yes, Sam.
Congratulations, everyone. You all get your bushcraft badges.
And James gets a special fire marshal badge for spotting the blaze.
Well, at least we managed to break the record for the world's tallest wicker bear.
Although it is lying down.
And on fire.
We could always make another one. After all,
We are the wild men of Pontypandy.
I was afraid they were going to say that.
Me too, Trevor. Me too.
This is all your fault, Norman Price.
We'll be fine, Mandy. This thing is full of air, so how can it sink? Oh, no, not you again. Shoot! Shoot! No! Stop that! Get off! Get off!
Hang on, Mandy! Hang on, Norman!
I'm slipping! Oh, thank you, Fireman Sam.
Thank you, Elvis. Wait, what?
Sorry, Fireman Sam. But it was that nasty seagull's fault.
Norman, it was our fault. We should have waited like my dad told us.
Mandy's right. We should have waited. Sorry, Mike.
Well, as long as you've learned your lesson. Remember, safety always comes first.
I'm just pleased you're both okay.
And we even saved the bouncy castle.
Oh! Now I'll have to fix it and blow it up all over again. Thank you, Norman.
When it's ready, Mike, can I have the first bounce?
Ah, Station Officer Steele. How's Elvis getting on with my passion fruit and pecan pavlova? You said you'd ask Elvis to make it for me.
Oh, that. I forgot. Sorry, Dilys.
Oh, no. But the fishy fun day starts in half an hour.
Cridlington, I need you in the kitchen immediately.
Sorry, Station Officer Steele. I'm playing at the Fishy Fun Day. Don't want to let my fans down.
But I need you to make a dessert.
Someone say they needed
A dessert?
Oh, no! I'm seeing double!
He's not me, sir. He's my cousin.
I'm Jerry Lee. Jerry Lee Cridlington.
Another Cridlington? Oh.
Oh, you should ask Jerry Lee. He's an even better cook than me.
Ta-da! One passion fruit and pecan pavlova.
Oh, Jerry Lee, that's fabulous.
I suppose having 2 Cridlingtons around isn't such a bad thing. Ooh, delicious.
Oi! I hate that seagull.
Norman Price is trapped on a burning ice rink with a penguin.
Norman Price is trapped on a burning ice rink.
With a penguin.
Did he say penguin?
Come on, we'll take Jupiter.
Stand well back, everyone.
I think we're okay. The ice is melting, and the water will put out the fire.
It's an electrical fire, Mike. Water just makes it more dangerous.
What are we going to do, Sam?
Ellie, you turn off the power. Arnold, you blast the fire with foam.
Roger that, Sam.
I'll get Norman.
Power up, Sam.
Stay calm, Norman. I'm on my way.
Oh! Ah! Now look what you've done. Fireman Sam can't reach me.
Norman, use your penguin to skate to me.
I didn't mean what I said, Pengy. You really are a super penguin. Now, get me out of here!
Come on, Norman. You can do it. Now, Norman, this penguin is to help you to learn to skate. You're not meant to play ice hockey with it.
Sorry, Sam.
And certainly not when there's electrical equipment around.
Yes, you knocked over me lights.
Only because they weren't secure, Mike. You should have checked those stands properly.
What? Oh, I'm sorry, Sam. It's my own fault. And now my whole ice rink's melted. It'll take me ages to fill it again with my garden hose.
Don't you worry about that. Arnold?
You'll soon have your ice rink back. On a cold night like this, it'll be frozen by morning.
Yay! We can play on the ice rink after all.
Where's Super Penguin, Norman?
I don't need him anymore. I can skate perfectly well on my own. Whoa. Pass to me! To me! Hey! Ooh. Wow! Uh-oh. Ah! Cut! Cut! I think we'd better call Fireman Sam!
James Jones is trapped in a garage full of burning oil cans.
James Jones is trapped
In a garage full of burning oil cans.
Sorry, Ryan.
It's an oil fire, so we'll need the sticky foam.
Roger that, Sam.
Air, 100%.
Penny, you shut off the electricity at the mains.
Are you okay, James?
He's fine. It's a good idea not to keep oily rags lying around. They can catch fire easily.
I'm really sorry, Sam. I will be more careful in future.
And Norman Price, next time you make a movie, have a grown-up supervise all the stunts.
Yes, Fireman Sam. I'm sorry. And I'm sorry I've put you in so much danger, James.
Norman, we can't film anymore. All these rescues have almost filled up my memory card.
Oh, really? Norman Price as Jake Pond, International Firefighting Super Spy.
Hooray!
Dangerous Stuff as my middle name.
No, it's not Norman. It's Stanley.
Mom!
Stanley?
Maybe you are a professional actor after all, Sam.
Oh, thanks, Penny.
That stunt double is fabulous. Who is he?
The name's Sam. Fireman Sam.
It's time to call Fireman Sam. I'm proud to announce Radar is 100% happy and healthy.
Hooray! I'm still a bit confused, Lizzie. Why has Radar been under the weather lately?
I have no idea.
Well done, boy. You deserve your favourite chucky treat.
No, Elvis. Chocolate can make dogs really ill. Have you been giving him lots of chocolate treats?
Well, no. Yes. Maybe a few.
Mystery solved.
Trevor Evans is hanging off the edge of a cliff.
Trevor Evans is hanging off the edge of a cliff.
Penny, you and I will go in Venus. Elvis, call in Tom with the helicopter.
Roger that, Sam.
Go get him, boy! I'm proud of you!
Hang on, Trevor.
Here comes Fireman Sam.
I see him, boy. Oh, dear. Gotcha. You have to be much more careful, Trevor. You could have been badly injured.
You're right, Sam. I think my tree climbing days are over.
It's my fault you were in the tree in the first place, Trevor. I'm so sorry.
We just needed to find the fox.
The fox? I'm so sorry, Mum. I forgot you told me that the fox was a wild animal. Because I thought it looked like a dog, and I opened the cage to feed it, and it escaped. You mean that fox? Yes, that one. Me and Norman tried to find it, but we couldn't find it anywhere, and it's back? He found his own way home. Looks like he knew when his feeding time was.
Well, it looks like everybody's happy.
Does that mean that nothing was actually my fault?
Wait a minute. You said that some foxes were just like dogs.
Well, maybe that one wasn't. Or maybe I was thinking about some other animal. Wolves? Oh, pandas, fish, unicorns.
Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Scanning area. Kitchen is clear. Station Officer Steele has finally given up on the toffee apples.
Yeah, he's just there, Elvis.
Oh.
Ooh!
There is a fire at a children's party at the Wholefish Cafe.
There's a fire at a children's party at the Wholefish Cafe.
The fire's getting worse.
Everyone, lie down on the floor. Get as low as you can.
Come on, let's do as Penny says.
The door is blocked and the children are trapped in the back.
Elvis, you take the hose and I'll get the crowbar.
Firefighter Sam, air 100%.
Ready, Elvis.
Firefighter
Ready, Sam.
Krillington, air 100%.
Keep back, everyone.
One at a time. Take my hand and stay low.
That's it, Mandy. Come to me. Where are Sarah and James?
All the children are out, sir, but keep everyone back until we have this fire under control.
So much for some quiet time.
Sorry, Uncle Sam. We were so busy trying to be better than each other
that we put everyone in danger.
Just remember that candles must be kept at a safe distance away from other things.
And always keep an eye on them. They can start a fire really easily.
But, I've got something to cheer you up. Toffee apples!
Wow! Toffee
For you?
Toffee!
And you. And you. And... Yes, you can have one, sir. You've waited long enough.
Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy.
Well done, Elvis.
Oh, yes, well done, Cridlington. Always knew you could do it. Right, all clear, everyone. Back to the station.
Well, I just hope that Mike does as well as me.
Hello, Pontypandy! I'd like to introduce you to the new member of my band, the Strum Master 2000. This place I know where the people say hello.
Your new band member's not exactly Elvis, is he, Dad?
He will be. Turn it all the way up, Joe. Oh, no! Elvis really wouldn't do it like that.
Dad, you need to stop.
Someone needs to call Fireman Sam!
Mike Flood's guitar machine has gone out of control and set the stage on fire.
Mike Flood's guitar machine has gone out of control and set the stage on fire.
Elvis, you and Eddie go in Jupiter. Penny, you and Arnold take Venus. I'll take Mercury. Ellie, Arnold, you get everyone to safety. Elvis, make sure the power's off. Penny, you help me tackle the blaze.
Roger that, Sam.
Power's off, Sam.
I don't think the Strum Master 2000 will make it to his solo.
Move back, everyone.
Yes,
You all need to be at least 5.5 metres further back for maximum safety.
All out, Sam!
I'm so sorry. My guitar machine caused a fire, Sam.
Luckily, no one was hurt, Mike. Now, have you two got something you want to say to each other?
Let's get the band back together.
Yay! Juggling was great, but I missed your dubba-dubba boof-boof.
And I missed your plang-plang, plangity-plang.
Wait a minute. I never played plang-plang, plangity-plang.
And I never played dubba-dubba boof-boof.
I always played plang-plang, plangy-ching.
Well, I never heard a ching.
And as for your blam-blam, blibbity-blam...
I played blam-blam, blibbity.
There is a hill fire in Pontypandy Park.
There's a hill fire in Pontypandy Park.
Penny, we'll fight the fire from the bottom of the hill. Elvis and Ellie, evacuate everyone from the stand.
Air 100%.
I'm glad everyone's safe. Whenever there's a fire on a slope, it's always important to stay below the flames, because fire and smoke travel uphill very quickly.
I'm sorry, Fireman Sam, and I'm sorry, Bella. I just wanted to watch the football, but I should have been concentrating on the pizzas.
Oh, I understand, Norman. After all, I love my football as much as you.
Really? Come on, flaming hoses!
Go, horses!
Mamma mia! That was bellissimo! Can I have your autograph?
Sorry to ruin the celebrations, Norris, but have you forgotten our long-standing rule? Winner buys dinner.
What's that you say?
Bacon and maple syrup, eh, Norm?
Yeah, I'll have a barbecue shrimp, thanks, mate.
Smoky pepperoni, please, Norman.
Spinach pizza for me. Hold the cheese.
Can I get a calzone? Roll twice with a crust no more than 45 millimetres thick.
Can I get a shepherd's pie?
Not a bad game today, Norris.
Thanks, old sport. Weren't too terrible yourself.
My ball.
What's going on down there?
I can hear Station Officer Steele working on the handcart.
Oh, she'll be growing batty wings by now and hanging upside down. Poor Mandy Bat.
Moose, is there a map of the caves?
Yeah, right here.
These are the caves. They go into the mountain this way. And the old mines go into the mountain this way. And they get pretty close, just where Mandy is trapped.
All ready to go, thanks to two experts.
It needs two drivers as well. Who's coming with me?
You're the one who knows about emergency rescues, Norris.
Penny, can you hear me?
Ah!
There! Stand back, Penny!
Get behind me, Mandy.
The whole mountain's shaking.
Don't worry, Mandy. It's Sam.
Mandy, what happened?
I'm sorry, Moose. I should have followed you out. But I saw a bat, you see.
I knew it! It did its bat magic on you! It turned you into a... Hang on. You don't look very batty.
Oh, don't be silly, Norman Price. The bat was nothing to do with it.
Caves can be very dangerous places, Mandy. You must always stay with your group and never wander off.
I know, Fireman Sam. I'm sorry, everyone.
And bats really are harmless, Norman. Look, here's one.
Ah! I'm being turned into a bat!
You're certainly flapping about like a bat.
At least I don't need to go underground to study bats. I can study Norman the Bat
A fire-breathing dragon has set fire to Bessie's shed.
Oh, that's a new one. A fire-breathing dragon has set fire to Bessie's shed.
My Betsy's in that shed.
Firefighter Sam. Air 100%.
Is she?
All fires are out, and Bessie is fine, sir.
Oh, thank you, Sam.
Well, Ellie, I might not have got into the smoke room today, but I did get to fight a fire-breathing dragon.
You did, Elvis.
Oh dear. It looks like Norman might be about to get a good telling off.
From Fireman Sam?
No, far worse.
Norman Price! I can't believe you nearly said Station Officer Steele's Nellie.
I think you'll find that's Betsy.
Station Officer Steele's Bessie ablaze!
I'm sorry, Ma'am. I didn't do it on purpose.
I know it was an accident, Norman, but you were playing with matches, and that is one thing you must never do.
I know, Fireman Sam. I'll never ever do it again.
Wait a minute! That's my best hat!
Told you! Norman! You said it was what brave knights used to wear.
You are in even more trouble now, Norman Price. Come here!
There you are, Station Officer Steele. Bessie is safe and sound.
Well, you look a bit sooty, old girl. But we'll soon have you clean, pristine, and gleaming.
Ooh, there's a bit of dirt here, sir. And a bit of dirt there. And that bit's very grubby. Oh, you missed a bit, sir.
Air 100%.
Arnold, you shut off the electricity. Penny, you put out the fire upstairs.
Roger that, Sam. Power off, Sam.
I did it! I got out of my animal rescue uniform! I'm ready to fight the fire!
I'm sorry, Elvis, it's too late. The fire's out.
Oh.
Wait, it's not too late.
What is it, Hannah?
I put lots of pizzas in our oven and turned it up really high.
Oh no! That might be on fire too!
I'm on my way!
Air 100%.
Power's off!
I'm really sorry. I got everyone to cram too many pizzas in the ovens. I think I got a bit bossy.
A bit?
I know you were trying to help your granddad, James, but you should have waited for your mum or dad to do it for you.
I'm sorry, Sam. We should have kept more of an eye on them.
And now Grandad doesn't have any pizzas for his railway gala.
I think I might know where I can get hold of some food.
I hope Fireman Sam gets here soon with some food.
Me too. I'm really hungry.
Oh, here's Sam now. I wonder what he's brought. Oh.
But...
Well, I never. It can't be.
Bella lasagna.
Bella lasagna?
Bella lasagna!
It's so good to see you all. And when Fireman Sam said that you had an emergency, I fired up my pizza oven.
And she made as many pizzas as she could.
Hooray! And I hear that you're becoming quite a little chef, James. I can give you cooking lessons anytime you like.
Brilliant! Maybe we can start our own pizza restaurant.
No way, Chef. No, 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 Chef.
Lady Pufflepaws and Norman have fallen into the river.
Lady Pufflepaws and Norman have fallen into the river. Elvis, bring Saturn.
My Norman's downstream.
Heading round the water.
The dog's down.
Trevor ate my sausage rolls.
Stay calm. We'll find them. I'm launching Saturn now.
There he is.
Norman, grab onto this.
Come in, Elvis. Norman is safe, but I can't see the dog.
Saturn's found Lady Pufflepaws. She's heading towards the ocean.
We can't reach her in time.
We can, if we take a shortcut.
Get ready, Penny.
Gotcha!
Come in, Elvis. Lady Pufflepaws is safe, well, and very licky. Norman, you know, if pets are in danger, owners should never try to save them. Always call a rescue service.
And never play near water unless an adult is there to watch you.
I'm sorry.
But you did show you cared. Maybe you are ready to have a dog of your own.
No way! Dogs are naughty. You tell them one thing, they do another. And they're always getting into trouble.
Sounds like someone else I know.
Come in, Penny. Steele here. I love my new desk. But why is there a slide in the lounge area?
I thought we could keep the slide.
We'll remove it immediately, sir.
Oh, yes. Well, you may have to remove me first. Oh, dear.
No broken bones. It's just badly bruised.
Thank goodness for that.
What on earth has been going on here?
We've been getting fit.
Well, I hope you had a warm-up before you started.
Well,
And built up slowly.
There's a woodland fire near the mill.
There's a woodland fire near the mill.
Hold on! Where do you think you lot are going? There's no way this crew is fit for duty.
But there's a fire in the woods.
I'm afraid, sir, this is down to us.
What? Oh, yes, us. Yes, I'll just get my helmet.
Stay well back, everyone. Help will be here very soon. Where's the rest of the crew, sir?
I'll explain later, Sam, but we're here now and ready for action.
Okay, then. Let's get this fire under control. You two take the hoses. I'll start beating. This could have been easily dealt with if you boys hadn't lost those floppy shovels.
Sorry, Fireman Sam.
In this hot weather, it's vital to be able to put out small fires quickly before they spread.
I should never have left them alone with that cooking stove.
That's true, Trevor.
Nothing like getting away from the office and putting out a good fire. Don't you agree, sir?
Absolutely.
Are you okay, sir? You sound out of breath, old chap.
Goodness me. What happened here?
Chief Fire Officer Boyce's Shape Up and Shine fitness program.
Yes, just a bit of harmless exercise.
Harmless? Harmless if you don't overdo it.
Chief Fire Officer Boyce is an expert on exercise, Sam. I'm sure he'd be pleased to demonstrate, wouldn't you, sir?
Well,
Perhaps you'd like to start with some press-ups, sir, to show us how it's done. Shape up and shine, sir. Shape up and shine.
Flyers above the train top.
No worries, Sam.
No, Maxwell, look! Your phone call worked! It's a UFO!
aliens!
Norman?
Shh, I'm hiding from the aliens!
Sorry, Sam. We'll have to head back to the rescue centre till this blizzard blows over. There's just too much snow.
That's it. Snow! Drop me off here, Tom.
Nice one, Sam.
Totally epic.
It's an alien on the roof!
an alien, Norman. It's Uncle Sam.
Of course it is. I knew that.
Hey!
I'm so sorry, Sam. That'll teach me to wear a cardboard box on my head.
You mean an astronaut's helmet, Gareth?
Oh, yes.
This way, everyone. The clouds are lifting.
I'm sorry I tried to play a prank on you, James.
I wasn't really fooled. I know aliens aren't real.
Oh, yes, they are. One visited my house last night.
Really?
Yes, he was a little green man with 7 eyes, 12 tentacles, a purple mustache, and... Oh!
Wow! The Northern Lights!
The Aurora Borealis. Aren't they amazing?
I tell you what's really amazing. Norman isn't saying anything. One small step for Norman, one giant leap for mankind.
If you're stuck, give him a shout. He'll be there to help you.